Hi guys, good morning, welcome back to my channel. It's a bright sunny morning and it's a Sunday. We are going on a cycle ride today. So this is going to be my first cycle ride, and this is going to be my first cycle long ride, which is going to be about 40 to 50 kilometers, and there are 5-6 friends of mine who are going to join. So I've done my packing and stuff. This is the GoPro chest mount, this is the cycle mount, and also I have a head mount. So guys, I hope you like the video, and please like the video and subscribe my channel for the upcoming vlogs, and stay tuned. Without mask, 1000 penalty. So always wear a mask. So guys, finally we are done with the ride and I'm back to my building, and I completed 50 kilometers on this cycle today, and it was a big task for me as this was my first ride on cycle. I have been cycling for few days since last 2 weeks, maximum I did was like 18 to 20 kilometers, and this was the first time I did 50 kilometers. So I'm really very proud of myself, and I hope you guys are also proud of me. So finally I'm ending the vlog here, guys. I'll go home, rest, and then I will edit the vlog and upload the vlog. So stay tuned, and if you like the video, then please hit the like button and comment for sure how you like the video. Like, stay tuned to my channel, and please comment what vlogs you would like to see in future and what you want me to like shoot in future. Food recipes, travel vlogs, anything, just comment in the comment section, and please share the video if you like the video, and stay tuned. Thank you so much. See ya guys next time. Come.